Hello guys, welcome back to RHS official new video. So our new topic is on the amazing facts on Gujarat. So our first fact is about the ancient history of Gujarat. Gujarat was an important part of Indus Valley civilization, having many ancient metropolitan cities like Lothal, Dholvira, Goladuru, Chandragupta Maurya, and then his grandson Ashoka ruled many states of what is now Gujarat. Between 322 BC and 232 BC, subsequently many other powerful rulers, including Mughal Emperor Akbar, have also regained in Gujarat. Means in Gujarat, many great civilizations, like you can see in the map, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kudiji, Lothal, all these important Indus Valley civilization were present in Gujarat, and Chandragupta Maurya and Ashoka also ruled in Gujarat, and the Mughal Emperor Akbar was also come in Gujarat, attack Gujarat to rule it. Our next fact is about the first port of India, means the first India's first seaport was established in city Lothal. The ancient inhabitants of Gujarat had trading and commercial treaties with Egypt, Bahrain, Mesopotamia, modern day Iraq, means Mesopotamia is nowadays Iraq, between period of 1000 BC to 750 BC. Means the first ever seaport in India was present or established in this city Lothal, which was present in Gujarat. Our third fact about the Lord Krishna's abode Dwarka. Founded by Lord Krishna, Dwarka is said to exist more than 10,000 years ago and is believed to be first capital of Gujarat. Today, this coastal city is one of the Char Dhams, four religious seats as per Hindu belief: Badrinath, Puri, Rameshwar are other three. The Dwarkadhish temple indicated to Lord Krishna was originally built around 2500 years back but was destroyed by Muhammad Shah. It was later rebuilt in 16th century. Means the great myth place of Lord Krishna, Dwarka, was exist in Gujarat only. Our fourth fact is about the Gujarat, the land of Gurjar. Rajasthan and Gujarat were known as Gurjadesh, Gurjatra, and Gujarat. Ancient names were Gujaradesh, then Gujratra, and then it was become Gujarat. This was some fact in photo. Do not see the text, only see the photo which I have zoomed it. So our next fact is non-alcoholic and vegan state. Means first Indian states to impose a complete ban on sale of alcoholic beverages. Gujarat also had the most number of vegetarian people in country. Means the India, in all India, the non-alcoholic state is only a Gujarat, where first ever complete ban was made on the alcoholic sale. And in all Indian states, the Gujarat is the one state which have most number of vegetarian people. Our sixth fact is world's largest salt desert. Rann of Kutch is the large salt mass located in Thar Desert in Gujarat, Kutch district, spread over an area of 75,000 kilometers square. It is considered to be one of the largest salt desert in the world with an area of 45,674 kilometers square, and Kutch is the largest district in the India. Kutch word means something that become wet and dry intermittently. Means world's largest salt desert is also present in the Gujarat only. The name is Rann of Kutch, and the largest district of India is also present in Gujarat, which is Kutch. The world's tallest statue of unity, which have given the competition to the Eiffel Tower of Paris. The world's tallest statue is also present in this Gujarat only, dedicated to Indian independent movement leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Statue of Unity stands tall at 182 meters. This statue is located on the river island Sandhu Beach in Narmada district, Gujarat. Our eighth fact is about the home to ancient lions. The one important fact I want to tell about this, that the ancient lions mostly present in Gujarat in Gir National Park. The lions are not able to see on the roads in any of the country, state, continent except in Asia, in India, in Gujarat, Gir. The lions comes on the road and move as they are moving in their own jungle. The Gir National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary was set up in 1965 with a total area of 14,1200 kilometers square. It is the only area in Asia where ancient lions can be found. The last ancient lion census in 2015 revealed the lion population to be at 523. Well, ninth fact is about the Gandhinagar, the greenest capital city in Asia. The capital city of Gujarat is Gandhinagar and is considered to be a greenest capital city in Asia, with almost 50% of its land covered with a greenery. Till 1970, Ahmedabad was the capital city of Gujarat. It was amazing that Ahmedabad was till 1970, but after when Gandhinagar became the greenest capital city in Asia, no state have, no country ever have this type of greenest capital city. Our 10th fact is about Surat, the diamond city of India. Surat is the major world hub for diamond cutting and polishing. It is considered to be one of the richest city in India, and in terms of per capita income, almost 8 out of 10 diamonds sold in world are polished in Surat, and it is also the third cleanest city in India after Chandigarh and Mysore. Therefore, Surat, Gujarat is very, very great and factable state. So guys, please like, share and subscribe for the part 2 on the Gujarat facts. So bye bye guys.